Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right in there today. This is a request from one of my family members, subscriber or whatever you want to call it, but she's a family member. I consider all my subscribers family members. So she wanted me to make hot water cornbread. Her name is Barbara. Alright, so she wanted me to make some oxtail. I did that. She wanted me to make this hot water cornbread. I'm going to do that right now. So let's jump right into it. First of all, we're making the best ever hot water cornbread that you ever seen in your life, and it tastes dang good. Alright, so you need some olive oil. If you don't want to use the olive oil, by all means, use some vegetable oil. You can use some peanut oil. Okay, I'm using olive oil today. It has good flavor to it. This is the yellow cornmeal right here. So Martha White. All right. I have some pink sea salt. This is a half a teaspoon. This 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have mine on the sweet side. This is a tablespoon and a half of butter. And right here is some WATKINS extract, vanilla, pure. Okay, so we're gonna get started. You're gonna need some hot water. So I got my hot water going back there. Let me go ahead and get it right now. This is probably roughly 2 cups. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. I don't know how much I'm gonna use. I just gotta wait till it gets to the right consistency. Now what I like to do, I like to put this in there first, which of course, hence the word hot water cornbread. I'm gonna go with 2 cups of this. All right, 1. And that's 2. All right, and this is self-rising. So now we're gonna mix our salt in there, just like that. Put our sugar in there, just like that. Put it to the side. We're just gonna incorporate that together, just like this, guys. Mix it well. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is take this butter right here and put it in there. Okay. Then I'm gonna start pouring some of this hot water in there. Alright. So I'm gonna stir this up in here. Pour some more hot water. I'll let this, and what this does is it cooks the cornmeal. That's what you want to do. You want to cook this cornmeal. Now, you can do this 2 different ways. Now, this can be called a whole cake or hot water cornbread. Now, the whole cake is like a mixture like this. You see what I'm saying? So, if you don't want it like that, you don't have to have it like that. Now, this is what I'm doing. Put some of this in there. This is why I did that. And I probably go with another cup of flour. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. WATKINS is the way to go, guys. I had a lot of, but they're not paying me either. I'm just letting you know. But it tastes a whole lot better than the other ones. So just stirring that. We're gonna come back over this. I want to thicken that up some. That's why I made it loose like that. So don't think I just messed up. I did that for a reason. So I'm gonna take another cup of this. Thicken it up. Alright. So I'm gonna just stir this in there. Just like that, guys. And we're gonna do nothing to this but let it sit for us about a good 5 minutes. So I want this to the seasoning incorporated in there very well. That's what you're looking at right there. Now, if you want it thicker, you can add some more flour. I mean cornbread. This is kind of like how I like mine. All right. See you guys in a minute. I'll take you over there in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. I'm gonna just put some oil in here. That's it. Grab up some of this stuff, hot water cornbread mix. Just like that. Lay that in there. Let that cook. You can always fix it when you put it in there. Like that. Just make sure you fix it before it. Just like that. See if I can squeeze another one in there. Putting it on medium heat. Like that. Don't go in there messing with the stuff. When you do that, then you're going to mess it up. Alright, guys. We're going to let that cook a little bit. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Started getting kind of brown. So I'm going to get up in here. Flip the bad boy. Like that. It ain't really ready. It'll tear up. Go ahead and let it come along for now. Alright, I'm gonna let that cook for about a good minute, then take them out. Show you guys what we have in a minute. Okay guys, here it is. Best hot water cornbread ever. From my home to yours. Barbara, thank you. Got anything else you want to add? You know where to hit me at. Hit me down in the comment section. And please give me a like, a share, comment, and please hit that bell. Hit that bell for me and let me know who you guys is. And welcome to the family. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. VELDOGG signing out.